Level 1. The Broke Beginner. You are 18 years old. You have no money, no connections, no advantage. Just a small room, a cheap phone, and a quiet feeling that your life is supposed to be more than this. You scroll through videos at night. People your age making money online, driving cars you've never seen in real life, living in apartments that look like something from a movie. You don't believe it at first. It feels fake, unreal, but something inside you doesn't let it go. You start thinking differently. What if it's real? What if they're not smarter than you? What if they just started earlier? You look around your life, same routine, same problems, same limitations, and for the first time you feel something dangerous. Not fear, not doubt, hunger. You don't tell anyone because nobody around you understands this feeling. They talk about jobs. You think about freedom. They talk about safety. You think about risk. You start watching videos differently, not for entertainment, for information. How money works, how businesses grow, how people actually become rich. You realize something important. Nobody is coming to save you. If your life changes, it will be because you changed it. So you make a decision, quietly. No announcement, no big moment. You just decide. You're not staying here.
Level 2. The Learner. You are 20. Nothing has changed on the outside. You still live in the same place, same environment, same people. But inside, everything is different. You wake up earlier, sleep later. You spend hours learning. Business models, marketing, sales. You try things. Most of them fail. You start a small online store. No sales. You try freelancing. No clients. You attempt content creation. No views. It's frustrating. You watch others succeed while you stay stuck. For a moment, you think about quitting. Maybe this isn't for you. Maybe those people are just lucky. But then you notice something. They didn't stop, so you don't either. You improve. You adjust. You learn from mistakes. Slowly, things start changing. One small win, then another. Your first $10 online. It doesn't feel like much, but to you, it means everything. Because now it's real. Money from your own effort, not a job, not a gift. You made it. And that changes how you see the world forever.
Level 3. The Hustler. You're 23. You're no longer guessing. You understand how to make money now. Not a lot, but enough to prove the system works. You focus on one thing, one business, one path. You work every day. No weekends, no excuses. While others relax, you build. Your income grows. $100, $500, $1,000, then more. It's not stable yet. Some months are good, some are bad, but the trend is clear. Up. You start separating yourself from your old life. Less time with people who don't understand. More time alone. Working, thinking, planning. You feel different now. Not better, just focused. You realize something most people don't. Making money isn't the hard part. Staying consistent is, and you've learned how to stay. Level 4. The Builder. You are 26. Your business is real now, not just income, a system. You have customers, processes, revenue that doesn't depend on your time every second. You hire your first employee. It feels strange, paying someone else with money you created. You're building something bigger than yourself. But growth comes with problems. Mistakes cost more now. Bad decisions hurt. You lose money. You make wrong hires. You trust the wrong people.
But you learn quickly because you have to. There's no safety net, no backup plan, only forward. You stop thinking like a worker. You start thinking like an owner. Systems, scaling, leverage. Your world changes. You don't trade time for money anymore. You build machines that produce money. And once you understand that, there's no going back. Level 5. The Millionaire. You are 30. Your net worth crosses $1 million. It doesn't feel like you imagined. No fireworks, no dramatic moment, just a number on a screen. But everything around you is different. Better home, better lifestyle, more options, but also more pressure because now you have something to lose. You start thinking differently, not just about making money, but keeping it, growing it, multiplying it. You invest, stocks, real estate, new businesses. Some succeed, some fail, but overall you keep moving forward. You notice something strange. The things you once wanted don't excite you anymore because now you understand money isn't the goal, freedom is, and you're getting closer. Level 6, the operator. You are 35. You don't run one business, you run multiple. You have teams, managers, systems that operate without you. Your time is different now. You don't work more, you think more. Strategy, expansion, opportunities. You enter new industries, make bigger deals, meet people at your level or above. You realize something important. At this level, money follows decisions, and your decisions are now worth millions. You become careful, calculated, patient, because one wrong move can erase years of progress, but one right move can change everything. Level 7, the Billionaire. You are 42. Your net worth crosses $1 billion. It doesn't feel real because numbers at this level stop making sense. You're no longer thinking in thousands or millions. Everything is bigger. Companies, investments, influence. You don't just participate in the economy, you shape it. Your decisions affect thousands of people, employees, customers, entire industries. You have access now. Rooms most people never enter, conversations that never go public. You see how the world actually works, and it's different from what you were told. Power isn't loud. It's quiet, strategic, invisible. And now you are part of it. Level 8, the Legacy. You are 55. You've made more money than you could ever spend. Now the question changes. What's next? You start thinking about legacy. What remains after you're gone? You build foundations, fund projects, support causes, not for attention, but for impact. You mentor younger entrepreneurs. You see yourself in them. Same hunger, same uncertainty. You guide them because you remember what it felt like to have nothing. Money becomes less important. Time becomes everything. Level 9, the Reflection. You are old now. Your empire still stands, run by people you once trained. Your name carries weight, respect, history. You sit quietly, looking back at the life you built, the risks you took, the nights you doubted everything, the moments you almost quit. You realize something simple. You didn't become a billionaire overnight. You became one decision at a time, one risk at a time, one level at a time. And somewhere right now, there's an 18-year-old sitting in a small room, scrolling through videos, thinking the same thoughts you once had, not knowing that their life is about to begin.